Good evening, everybody. Crypto Strain here. This evening, I'm going to talk about Barclays. In fact, they're getting massively invested in cryptocurrency, which I find absolutely baffling because I use Barclays here in the UK, and when I do a transaction, they always state if you're doing cryptocurrency, it's extremely high risk. Please make sure you're using the correct company and all this. And in fact, they've now invested $2 billion in copper. Now, I've read very briefly about copper before. It's been around a few years and just getting started. Okay, so the fact that I've heard about it before was the previous Chancellor here in the UK of the government, Lord Hammond, was an advisor. He got in early, and I think his actually shares are going up significantly now. What they gave him as like a bonus to help him get started. But Barclays, massive banking institution, invests $2 billion in copper. Okay, it's absolutely incredible. So we go in here, Barclays taking a stake in copper, one of the most prominent names in the fast evolving cryptocurrency sector, even as industry continues to be rocked by swathe of bankruptcies. Now, obviously talk about Celsius quite a lot on here. Their bankruptcy here in the US, where basically I think their commitments were 5 billion, might be wrong, slightly wrong with the figures, but they only had like 4 billion assets. So they've gone in what they call it there, like bankruptcy protection. But I just find it's absolutely incredible that someone like Barclays investing in an up-and-coming company, which is literally just getting started. You know, it's been around a couple of years. They're literally now sort of getting quite prevalent within the cryptocurrency community. Now, obviously, there's been a lot of companies which have failed. There's not a huge amount of information, okay, when you actually go on their website. It's got information that you need. Obviously, you scroll through it here and you can see there the institutional gateway to digital asset investing. It doesn't seem to be open to everyone. You have to basically create an account. Now, when you go on here, when you hit log in, you scroll through and it takes you there. Please enter your copper account details. Now, you have to request access, not just verifying your email like you do with any other sort of investment company or exchange. Then you have to go exactly where you are, okay? So you say you're from Europe, etc. Now, schedule a meeting with our sales team to learn more about our infrastructure. So it's not open to everyone. I think they're in the high-end investment. I don't know for sure. I'm just guessing the fact you have to fill out an interest form. It's not just a case of joining, etc. So it's absolutely very intriguing to actually see what their future plans are. But as it states there, the institutional gateway to digital assets, you've got the trading firms, retail firms, financial institutions, algo funds, protect your fund against fraud risks, buy and hold investors, okay, DeFi funds, exchanges. Now, when you hit the exchanges, you can see there the copper, etc., waterfall wallet architecture, offer your customers crypto with ease using our wallet architecture. So it seems to me it's like a company where it's for the masses, but it's also for companies who also invest in cryptos. It's like the one-stop shop. That's what it seems to me, what copper are offering. I say there's a lot to find out about this. It states there, get the best of both worlds enabled by dual offline online technologies. Security audit, certified insurance, MPC protected custodial architecture for more than 150 digital assets. Copper Unlimited, co-sign and verify transactions completely offline. So it's a way of, they completely store the stuff for you, very, very secure. Okay, now you want to see what the difference is to a standard centralized exchange or even a decentralized exchange for some purposes. But it's also got a secure multi-party computation wallet creation. Okay, so it seems to be really geared for the big companies who want to invest in it. But over time, I'm sure they'll get more and more out there. But this I found absolutely fascinating. I was going through the big companies like FTX, obviously we've all heard of that. They took over Blockfolio, didn't they, online? But it's a huge company. Our collaboration with Copper will help us stay ahead of the pack. Alpha 5, what we found is being integrated with a leading global custodian matters. So I think Copper, what they're doing is really keeping hold of people's assets very securely. They offer many different parts to it, obviously. Everything you need to prosper in a rapidly evolving market. Now, you've got there the safeguard infrastructure, basically award-winning secure digital asset custody, trade on DeFi exchanges with assets held in custody, stake with assets held in Copper's custody, lend assets and earn interest, manage account platform, create your own actively managed certificate. Okay, and you can also get a schedule a demo, trade infrastructure, move asset security, multiple exchanges, zero exchange counterparty risk with clear loop, one tap access to leverage. Okay, the market insight straight from the source. It talks there more in depth. Okay, it's actually, I say the company's actually based obviously here in the UK as well, and obviously, but because obviously the FCA, they're still trying to get their FCA, the Financial Control Authority regulation here in the UK. The actual company is now registered in Switzerland. Okay, now obviously, on Twitter, they're very active. I was scrolling through. Obviously, I just started following to see what exactly they're doing. And it states there, Copper's been approved for membership of the VQF in Switzerland under FINMA. Switzerland's framework for digital assets has established a jurisdiction as a global leader in the space. Okay, and I also read previous write-ups from ex-UK government people are saying UK is actually behind with digital assets adoption. Okay, now also you scroll through, they've got so much information on here. Now they're doing like AMAs, etc. But I just think it's completely different. I think it's an all-in-one package, everything with digital assets for someone literally to keep everything 100% secure. I think it's just sort of going away from relying on one exchange. COP obviously do everything for you, so it makes it easier for people again to adopt the big companies, corporations. And I just scroll through on their Twitters, and you can just see they're obviously very active on there, and they're just constantly developing. Now, I saw that also the fact the Formula One they did advertising, they're doing massive marketing now as well. It's just got a lot of information. So I suggest you follow them on Twitter because they're constantly announcing new partnerships, etc. Okay, now when you go on here again on their dashboard, you hit clients. Now, we always used to show like exchange, etc., the DeFi funds. The bit I'm really interested in out of all of them was the retail platforms. Okay, now I found this absolutely rapid IFQs with private large volume crypto trading built in. Okay, real-time settlement on your trades. Okay, I think there's many different parts of it, and dedicated account managers insured through Aon in London. Tight speed, tight spread with no slippage, secure MPC custody built in as standard. But join here the pioneering platforms already using copper infrastructure. Pay-per-form has been a game changer for Pay-per-form by finding a well-assured MPC wallet and custody solution. So they're adapting massive companies. Okay, now I just think as you scroll through all the different part of the retail platforms, the trading firms, you know, there's a lot here. Now, it's obviously create a secure cross-exchange trading environment. Pioneer infrastructure enables trading firms to deploy capital across 40 plus exchanges, including Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, Huobi, and OKX. Okay, so we spoke about often about OKX and Binance, etc., and all the others speak about exchange all the time. The fact they've all got them in one place is very interesting. So they don't seem to have their own coin, their own token. They don't seem to have that at all. I've read up, maybe in the pipeline. I couldn't see it anywhere on any sort of documents or anything. So I just think what they're trying to do is just make it easier for big corporations and individuals to have basic asset managers to store your crypto, to make it that completely secure. So I just think they're making huge strides. And, you know, when the Barclays invest 2 billion, I find it absolutely fascinating. Okay, and you can see all the different people here really, really pleased with what Copper are offering. Now, I say there's a lot of sections here, and you know, just all the different bits. And I think you know the security is obviously the most important, and the control. But also, when you scroll through here, you can also see like the security, the new standing security for digital assets. Okay, they've got everything accredited security team, regular penetration testing, 24/7 FC specialist incident response. So it's obviously security is the high end of what they want. But as I mentioned before, and I've seen a news article was on one of the main crypto sites about copper getting started and getting some mainstream adoption. But when I saw that headline yesterday on Sky News, that basically Barclays investing $2 billion, I was absolutely fascinated. And talk about mainstream adoption and talk about crypto is the future. There you have it. When a massive bank of the UK is investing $2 billion, absolutely incredible. Okay, so they've obviously been very clear with the team. Obviously, completely verified who the team are, and obviously you can see the potential here, but that's a lot to invest. Okay, now I was absolutely fascinated by that. Now, when you look at the company itself, they've got the insights, support, testimonials, careers, partnerships. You know, it's just so much going on. It's hard to sort of get your head around everything within their ecosystem. And it states here the Copper family is not only our people and clients, but also our diverse group of partners, which continue to grow. Another global brand, ABB Formula One, FIA Formula E World Championship to our partners. So ABB, obviously a huge company out there, and it's again they've got all the testimonials you'd want. And I think again, you really are seeing where crypto is going with this market. Okay, but the company alone, you know, the support, but the testimonials obviously always great to see. It's a genuine people. People are obviously very excited about COP and what they offer them. So it really does take the company to the next level. So again, this is absolutely wonderful for cryptocurrency. Now, so HODL Ride selects Copper to secure its RIDE token. So when a company has their own token, obviously many have been hacked, haven't they? The last couple of years, many different projects have been hacked, etc. Someone hacks, takes 51% or 49% or whatever of their token, then sells it, and the project basically dumps, and everyone loses basically interest in that project because they know it's easily hacked. So the fact that HODL Ride is selecting Copper to secure its RIDE token again speaks volume for what Copper are doing. So when you look at Copper, basically massive company here with huge potential. Now, I also looked on Crunchbase. You can see there, the organisation, total funding amount, 85 million. This is according to Crunchbase, okay? They also talked there about employee profiles, 11 you can check. And similar companies, there's 10 similar companies to Copper, but I think it's just getting started really at the moment. And I think over time, when you get an investment like that from Barclays, over time they can continuously develop. I can't see why, when you go through their site, actually the reason why they have their own crypto at the moment, okay? So they really are like an all-in-one place for companies, individuals who want to invest in crypto and keep it totally secure. That's why I read Copper, okay? So I think it's absolutely fascinating. So I just want to give a brief update. I saw that news yesterday and I found it fascinating because I said I never really looked through their site to actually go through and what they're planning, and their future development looks absolutely huge. So thanks very much. We'll chat again soon. Been reading up on so many different projects last few days, preparing for the next bull run, seeing exciting projects out there. I've emailed so many different companies trying to find further information. Some have come back to me with some great, I've gone back with some other questions. So we'll certainly do some more videos soon. Have a wonderful day. We'll chat again soon. Anyone help as usual, just email me, info@cryptostrain.com, all my social media links below. Thanks very much. Cheers now. Bye.